Hey guys, it's Ayush, and in today's episode, we're going to be making sweet potato dog fries, which are a vegetable dog treat, but it's made of purely vegetables and spices, so humans can enjoy them too. If that's what you want to do. So yeah, it is Corona time right now, and during Corona time, a lot of us are going to be stuck at home, not really doing much, and so it is a great time to get a puppy. And we actually got a puppy. So he's right here. Oh. Oh, he doesn't want to look at the camera. Oh, there he is. So the ingredients we're gonna need for today are a sweet potato and some turmeric and cinnamon. And that's really all you're gonna need. So let's get to it. First things first, we're gonna have to peel the sweet potato.
So I'm gonna just go ahead and start peeling this, and obviously I'm just not making a dent on it because I'm probably the worst peeler there is alive. Yeah, and still, just like barely anything has been peeled off because I suck. Okay, it took like maybe an hour, and now it's peeled. We're gonna go ahead and wash it, and please ignore all the unwashed dishes because I forgot to do that. Okay, we're just gonna cut the sweet potato right down the middle, and now we're gonna go ahead and cut it into fourths. Yeah, I'm struggling with that too, obviously. But now we are going to want to cut them into fry-shaped pieces. Yeah, they obviously don't look like fry-shaped pieces. They look like those dried mangoes you can get from Costco. That's what it looks like. And I actually kind of like the look. No, that was unfortunate. Oh yeah, very very unfortunate. It's okay. We're just gonna ignore that and go into ×5 speed because I'm a slow cutter and a slow peeler. Oh, Indian moms have this like really insanely fast way of cutting vegetables, like honestly like an Olympic style. Okay, well then there's me, and yeah, I'm not fast at all, but slow and steady wins the race, boys and girls. So we're also gonna preheat the oven to 425 degrees, and then we're gonna just place all of the little mango-shaped sweet potato fries into a plastic bag. Seal the bag. Then get out your cinnamon and start sprinkling it over. But you know what? I made a fundamental error here, because that cinnamon bottle wasn't even opened. My god, why am I so dumb? Okay, well, yeah, finally got that done. And you're probably going to want to put more cinnamon than turmeric, because turmeric is a little bit stinky, like very stinky. And it also will make your dog's paws turn yellow, and I don't know if you want that, so probably don't put as much turmeric. I'm not sure that many households even have turmeric, so you might not have to worry about that. Then once it's all mixed in the plastic baggie, go ahead and start placing them onto the silver tray. Well, yeah. Now we're gonna just go ahead and start melting coconut oil. It only took about like 1 minute to melt, so after that's done, you're going to want to drizzle the coconut oil over all of the sweet potato fries. Yeah, it doesn't look good, but it works, so it's fine. And make the timer go to 15 minutes and heat it up. Now that it's done, take the fries out of the oven. You're going to want to start flipping each of the fries so that you can get them to cook. Oh, what's going on there? Well, yeah, it's just a daily dose of Marvel. Yeah, so flip all of the fries so that you can get an even baking on both sides.
So the fries have come out now, and so let's just try giving my dog one of these. There he is. Marvel. It's been really sleepy today, so. Oh, yeah. Okay. Okay, I guess he likes it. I think it's a little bit too big for him. Oh, yeah. Yeah, for sure. So maybe when you're making it, you're gonna want to cut it into smaller pieces. But yeah, this is my first time making it, so I think it was okay. Yeah. Good boy.
Thank you guys for watching. Marvel says bye. Like, subscribe, and comment below what you think I should make next. Yeah, have a wonderful day.